Fourt Construction is a company founded by four brothers with a goal to help our customers through one of the biggest investments of their life, whether that be a brand new build or an existing home renovation.
We do all sorts of residential projects. They range from small bathroom kitchen renovations to large bathroom kitchen renovations to additions to basement finishing. There isn't a cookie cutter solution for every residential project. So we understand we have to tailor our solutions to what your needs are.
Having all four of us growing up in a cabinetry background, building high-end kitchens at a very young age, we are able to have a high level of detail and finesse to create a real polished look, both from a project management perspective and keeping things efficient, but at the same time having a well-built project at the end.
I would say the expectation that clients could have of us for our service is transparency, efficiency, as well as honesty. I feel a lot of people say they're going to do something and don't do it at the end of the day, but with Fourt, you can expect that when we say something, it'll get done.
Fourt's finished residential projects are set on a separate bar, I would say, from others, with particular attention to finishing carpentry and to the cabinetry components. Those components that the client is going to touch and feel and use every day are super important, and they need to be not only aesthetically pleasing, but also able to last a super long time.
I think what I like most about finishing the projects is seeing the transformed space and how the families were able to trust us with potentially one of their biggest investments and capture what exactly they wanted with that space.
What makes us proud at the end of a job is when we leave knowing that the customer's needs have been met, the job has been done safely, and the work will last.
This can be the start of a relationship, that down the road, when you need something, you can give us a call.